Hi everyone. In this video, we're diving into another real-world SQL Server problem. Finding out how many distinct products each store sells, and identifying the top 3 best-selling products in every store. Let's get started. We have 2 tables. First, the stores table. It contains the store number, name, city, and location. Each store has a unique store number. Then we have the orders table. This lists every sales record, including the store number, product number, part number, shipped quantity, unit retail price, and order date. Our business goal is clear. For each store, count the total number of distinct products sold, and also find the top 3 products by sales revenue. The final result should look something like this, showing store number, store name, item count, product number, part number, and total sale. Let's solve the problem in SQL Server Management Studio. We'll solve this using common table expressions, or CTEs, which are temporary result sets you can reference later in your query. This approach makes our SQL easier to read and maintain. Step 1. Counting distinct products per store. Our first common table expression, or CTE, counts how many unique products each store sells. Because SQL Server's count, distinct, only works on one column, we combine product number and part number into a single string. In this way, different variations of the same product are counted separately. Step 2. Calculating total sales per product per store. Our second common table expression, CTE1, calculates total sales revenue for every product in every store. We do this by multiplying the shipped quantity by the unit price, then summing that for all orders of the same product. Step 3. Ranking products per store. In CTE2, we rank products within each store based on their total sales. The partition by makes sure ranking starts fresh for each store, and order by total sale DESC ensures the highest selling products get rank 1, 2, and 3. Step 4. Joining and filtering for top 3 products. Finally, we join everything together. CTE2 for top products, the stores table for store names, and CTE for the distinct product counts. We filter where rank is less than or equal to 3, so we only keep the top 3 products per store. Then, we sort the results by the number of items each store sells, and within that, by total sales in descending order. When we run this query, we get a complete picture for each store. We know exactly how many unique products they sell, and which 3 products bring in the most sales revenue. This insight is powerful for inventory planning and sales strategy. To recap, we used common table expressions to break down the problem into manageable steps. Counting unique products, calculating sales, ranking products, and finally filtering for the top 3. This technique keeps your SQL clean, modular, and easier to debug. Whether you're a data analyst or a store manager, this query can help you focus on your best performing products while keeping track of your product diversity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.